We're going to do a brief video on algo trading versus stocks, and we've got a chart of Tesla on here. Real quick, we're going to go over that and show you a moving average strategy compared to algorithmic trading, algo trading, and show you how you can use them to vastly reduce the time you spend looking for stocks to buy. The issue that we're confronted with is how do you find good stocks if you're going to use a method like technical analysis, or for example on the screen here, the moving averages. And the answer is you're going to spend hours and hours and hours looking for a decent stock to buy. We're going to show you algo trading versus stocks in a very simple format where you can log in here every day and find 190 stocks that are available Monday morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. And it's all at absolutely no cost. So stick with me to the very end. We'll get to that, and we'll give you a link that gets you to our website, rbamresearch.com. Absolutely no cost, no credit card required, and you can get our algorithmic trading price entries absolutely free. So let's take a look real quick. For example, Tesla. If you're going to evaluate Tesla, let's say it's nighttime, you're home from work, you're going to evaluate Tesla and say, should I buy Tesla tomorrow? You may pull up these moving averages, a green 5-day, a red 20-day, and a blue 200-day moving average, and say to yourself, well, Tesla's in a sideways market. It's bounced up against the 200-day moving average. It looks like it's selling off. It's in the bottom of its trading range. Maybe I'll buy it tomorrow. You could do that. There's no problem with that. But you have an infinite variety of stocks. Let's say you have at least 200 stocks that you're interested in, and you want to buy the ones that make the most sense for you to buy tomorrow and buy the best of the group. So we just scoot right down here. You log in and you come right into this, and you look and you say, okay, this is from Monday the 26th, and it's got these holding periods here, the 1, the 5, and the 20-day holding period. They're buys, and we look down here and we find Tesla. Here's Tesla right here. And here we are, 3 exact entry prices. Now, this is all for entertainment purposes only. You have to do your own research. You can't use our stuff for anything but entertainment. But at least it gives you an objective price to look at to make your determination as to whether or not you'd be interested in buying Tesla tomorrow morning. So again, these would come out the evening before. We advertise they're out before 7 a.m. the day of, but they're usually out the day before, the evening before, after 6 o'clock. And you can log in here and get these prices. Now we cover 190 stocks, 194 stocks right at the moment, and with 1, 5, and 20-day holding period. So what this means is basically, if you were to look in the 1-day holding column and you wanted to enter, you'd enter at a price and then get out, worst case, at the end of the next trading day, just before the market closes, at a loss, or take your profit as soon as you got it. Same thing for the 5, same thing for the 20. If you got in at a price similar to this, assuming your own analysis said it was a good idea, you would get in today and get out, worst case, 20 days later, 20 trading days later, at a loss, or take your profit as soon as you got it. And that's the way these algorithms work. They're very simple. Now, in a minute, I'm going to show you another set of algorithms that are more trend following. These are just basically algorithms that do not depend on trends. You can look in here every day. Zeros mean there's no entry prices because it doesn't think the algos don't calculate a decent price to buy. And then, of course, if it's populated, you pick your holding period. If you want to kind of day trade it, semi-day trade it, it's a 24-hour hold period, something like that. Buy today, close out, worst case tomorrow. Use the 1-day column. You can intraday trade some of these, especially if you want to do forex or the futures, which I'll show you in a minute. But basically, in today, out tomorrow with this 1-day column, and so forth down the line. So how does that help you? Well, it's really simple. You take a look at the entry prices on Tesla. You say, boom, it took you less than 30 seconds, 268 to 273. The next day you walk in and say, what's Tesla trading at? I'm looking for 268 to 273. We can see that it's at 270 was the low. You could have snagged that. As long as it trades through your price, you can snag it. And then, of course, your own analysis is the dominant factor here. You have to make your own decisions. All of our information is entertainment, but you snag that, and already your price is up to 277. Is that going to happen every day? No. You're going to lose money. You're going to make money. It's going to be determined how you are as a trader. But just goes to show you it takes seconds to come in here and look at 190 plus stocks. We cover the big stocks, the small stocks, the medium stocks, 190 of what we consider the most active stocks. And we put them up every morning before 7 a.m. So that's algo trading versus stocks. Let's take a look at algo trading versus stocks with a trend following system. This is a little 30-day trend following system, and it has buy flats or shorts. And in a minute, I'm going to show you some other buys and shorts. But these are stocks come out this morning before 7 a.m. Today's Monday the 26th, 30-day hold. So essentially like the others, except buy, sell, or buy or short today. Close out at the end of 30 trading days at a loss, or take your profit as soon as you get it. These cover the major stocks that we use on a trend following system. We also put the S&P 500 E-mini futures on here as a proxy for the SP 500, and you can see it gives you a direction, short or buy or flat, and gives you a specific entry price. Again, all for entertainment purposes only. You have to do your own analysis. Can't use our stuff for anything other than entertainment, but it gives you an exact entry price and an exact direction to use and base your own analysis off of. In addition to that, we have the cash forexes. You can see the euro versus the dollar and the yen, the Aussie versus the dollar, and they're buys and shorts, or buys or shorts every morning before 7 a.m. for the major forex pairs, and again 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holding periods for those, and then some other things, the futures, crude, gold, and the SP 500. So we cover, as I said, 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC for crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, all at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. You just follow that link over. Absolutely no cost, no credit card. Just put your email in and get signed up. They're all out by 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, and again, absolutely free. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe and get some more of these, we're putting out quite a few. Please do that as well. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm. We'd love to hear your comments if you have one about moving averages, or algo trading versus moving averages, or algo trading versus stocks. We'd love to hear it. And keep in mind, everything you've seen or heard on here, including our entry prices and our commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. You have to do your own analysis. Can't use our information for anything but entertainment, and you definitely trade at your own risk.